Okay. Mic test, mic test. Okay. I'm not sure if this is the right way. Yan, ganyan. And then, struggle is real. Like this, maybe. There. And then, maybe put something like this. Di pa rin eh. Or something like this. There. Okay, tingnan natin. The framing. Hi guys. Okay, so I am going to show you what I got here in LA. Okay. Nice unboxing. This is what we got. AirPods Max in Starlight. So now with USB-C port. Okay, so kakakuha ko lang sa kanya like 2 hours ago, and we are going to unbox this. Hindi ko kinuha yung midnight. My first choice is midnight. Kaso nung babayaran ko na, parang sabi ko, sobrang basic sa ulo ng midnight. So I ended up getting the Starlight colorway kasi mukha na siyang madumi in the first place, kasi white yung aesthetic ko sa iPhone eh. I always get the silver one, the white one, so why not get the light ones sa AirPods Max? Yeah. Naisip ko din, pag dumamo siya, I can buy the midnight colorway dun sa ear cups. So yeah, let's start. Just peel these. ASMR. Oh, I forgot to turn out the TV. Okay. Let's turn down the TV volume. Ito pa. ASMR. Okay. Guys. Nag-try akong i-resist siya bilhin since its release, since sobrang minimal ng changes. Parang color lang yung change and yung port lang yung nag-change, but yung internals wala. So ito pa rin siya since 2020. Okay guys, wow, sobrang clean. Yes, nakamay ko eh. Dito yung paperwork. Una nating buklatin. Let's just leave it like that. Okay. Tumatayo. Uy, tumatayo siya. Okay. Let's leave this here. And let's go right into turning this on. Let's turn this thing on. Paano siya i-turn on? I don't wanna break the... Ito, punitin lang. So, AirPods case niya is a little... Oh, there. So that's how you open it without breaking it. Oh, nice. Then it's like that. Okay. So, yan. So, alam ko pag tinanggal mo ito sa case, it will turn on. And I'll start connecting it to my phone. Dang, bro. Dang, ka. Wow. Oh my goodness. And that's it. See you on the next product. Bye, guys.